Hi everyone, I have a new product from SoundBot today. It is the SB531. Let's get right into it and do an unboxing.
Alright, let's just get right into it, open up the box, and see what we're dealing with. Pulling it out, we have the device itself, SB531, and the suction cup. This is the charging port on the side. Let's go over the main functions. Here's the power button, previous track, lower volume, the pause play button, increase volume / next track, and mode switch, which we'll get into later. Don't forget the box at the bottom. Right here, the SoundBot box, which also includes the micro USB cable and affiliate links, as well as the manual. SoundBot recommends that you plug it in for 2 hours to get a complete charge. When you plug it in and it's charging, it'll indicate red. To turn the device on, go and hold the power button for about 3 seconds.
Power on.
There we go. Once you hear that, you can head over to the Bluetooth section on your phone. Should pop up at the bottom as SB531, and we'll connect in a second.
Paired.
There we go. Once you hear that, you are now Bluetooth paired and ready to play your music. The SB531 has hands-free talking, LED lighting, built-in microphone, and a good wireless range up to 33 feet, as well as water resistance and shock resistant. Let's go into hands-free talking. I have an incoming call. Go ahead and press the pause play button to answer a call. Hold it down for about 3 seconds to end the call. It's very convenient that can stick onto any surface, vertical or horizontal. Let's get into some functions. To decrease or increase the volume, be sure to hold down the button longer than 2 seconds for that to work. I'll now demonstrate by increasing the volume. If you just press it once, it'll skip to the next track. The giant M button, also known as the mode switch button, also serves as the FM radio button.
FM radio.
Click it once to enable it. And go ahead and use the seek and previous track buttons to search for radio stations. There aren't too many stations where I live.
Bluetooth mode.
Go ahead and press the button again to switch back to Bluetooth mode. Now when I mentioned earlier that it was water resistant, I mean it's very water resistant, as in waterproof. Let's test it out. Don't be afraid to get it wet, in the shower, in the sink. Heck, you could even wash the thing. It's proven to be effective up to 10 meters of water without any leakage. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been the review of the SB531. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out SoundBot at www.soundbot.com, and I'll see you guys next time.